Understanding Incapacitated, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting word, incapacitated. This word can be quite useful in various contexts, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Incapacitated is an adjective that describes a state where someone or something is unable to function or act normally. It's often used in situations where an illness, injury, or other condition prevents a person from doing their usual activities. The word originates from the Latin incapacitus, meaning lack of capacity. To better understand how to use incapacitated, let's look at some examples. 1. The flu left her completely incapacitated, unable to get out of bed. 2. After the accident, the machinery was incapacitated and couldn't be used. 3. He was temporarily incapacitated due to a severe allergic reaction. These sentences show how incapacitated can refer to both people and objects, emphasizing a temporary or permanent state of being unable to function. Learning synonyms and antonyms can help you grasp the full meaning of incapacitated. Synonyms: disabled, debilitated, paralyzed, unfit. Antonyms: able-bodied, capable, fit, healthy. These words provide a broader context of where incapacitated fits in the English language. When using incapacitated, be cautious not to confuse it with similar-sounding words that have different meanings. For example, incapable means lacking ability or strength, while incapacitated specifically refers to being rendered unable to function. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of incapacitated. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a great way to enhance your English skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use incapacitated in your conversations and writing. Until next time, happy learning!